Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to solve a first order linear differential equation. Now first of all we have to know what is the standard form of first order differential equation, that is dy over dx plus p of x y is equal to q of x. P of x is a function that contains x values and q of x also a function that contains x values. Now let's check whether the given equation is in standard form. So first we have to have dy over dx. So we have the same thing, right? And then second one we have to have p of x. We have to have a function with x and that should multiply with y. And here if you notice we have a function with x values and that multiplies with y. And in the other side we have a function with x. So this is in standard form already. Now we can go ahead and solve this one. Now in order to solve this one, first of all we have to find integrating factor. To find the integrating factor we use this formula, that is e power integration p of x dx, and we know that p of x is whatever the value we are adding with this dy over dx and whatever the value we are multiplying with this y. And here if you notice we are adding this 2x over 1 plus x square and we are multiplying this one with y. So this is our px value. So we have to bring this one and do the integration to find out the integrating factor. Now here we are going to put e power integration 2x over 1 plus x square dx. Now to integrate this one, if you notice we have derivative on top, so we can do the u substitution. So if you do u substitution, so let's take u as 1 plus x square and du is going to be 2x dx. Now we can go ahead and write everything in terms of u. So we are going to have integral, instead of 2x dx we can replace du, and 1 over 1 plus x square is going to be 1 over u. And if you integrate this one, that's going to give you ln u plus constant. Now if you plug this in this equation, this is going to be e power. Now we have only found out this part, right? Now we have to place in this one e power whatever we found, that is ln u plus constant. So we can forget about, we don't have to worry about this constant, we can get rid of this one, and we have e power ln u, and we know that u is 1 plus x square, and if you get rid of, like when we have e and ln, both of them cancels, we only get u, and u is 1 plus x square, and this is going to be our integrating factor. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply the given equation by integrating factor both sides. So what we are going to do is we are going to write this one dy over dx plus 2x over 1 plus x square y, and in the other side of equation we have 4 over 1 plus x square square. Now what we are going to do is we are going to bring this integrating factor we found out from this equation and we are going to multiply both sides. So first we have 1 plus x square in this side, also we have to multiply this one with the other side, 1 plus x square. So here we have this one, same thing, so we can cancel this square and this one, and in the other side we are going to have this one is going to cancel, and in the other side we are going to have d over dx, and I separate this y because I tell you why, because this will be useful, like y dy, I separate the y and put the d outside, and y, and also if you multiply this one with this, we are going to have y times 1 plus x square plus we are going to have this one 2x, and 1 plus x square cancels, so we only have 2xy. Now when we have this one in standard form, this differential equation in standard form, this value, whatever the value we are adding after the first term, can be getting rid of. Like if you get rid of this one and do the derivative of this one, you will get the same value. You can try, go ahead and try, and if you do the derivative of this one and see, you will get the same, you will get dy over dx plus 2x over 1 plus x square. Why? So it works most of the time. Like you can get rid of the second term and first term is going to remain, because if we have this simple pattern, it's easy to do the integration, because now after this one we are going to do the integration both sides. Now let's do the integration. We are going to integrate this side in terms of x and also in this side in terms of x. And if you do the integration right here, integration and derivative cancels each other, so we will only have y times 1 plus x square in this side, and in the other side we will have, so let's take the 4 to the front, and this is going to be 1 over 1 plus x square, and 1 over 1 plus x square is going to be tan inverse x, also plus constant. And now we have to write everything in terms of y, so the final answer is going to be y is equal to 4 tan inverse x plus constant divided by 1 plus x square. And that's how we solve first order linear differential equation. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.